For making beetroot pachadi, I have finely chopped 2 medium-sized beetroots, 1.5 cup of grated coconut, 2 cups of full-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a small piece of ginger, 2 green chillies, a handful of curry leaves, 2 dried red chillies, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Grind the grated coconut, curry leaves, green chillies, ginger, and cumin into a thin, fine paste. So our paste is ready, and now let's start cooking the beetroot. Heat the pot on medium flame. Cook the beetroot with minimum water. So now you can see that the beetroot has started losing water, and we want the beetroot to be cooked in this water. We haven't added any water to it, and I guess it's almost cooked. It's been 10 minutes now. I think we can wait for another 5 more minutes for it to be fully done, and then we can turn off the heat. Now the beetroot has been fully cooked. Now let's add the ground paste. Now give it a nice mix. Now once the mixture has cooled, add the yogurt. Here I've taken 2 cups of yogurt. You can add according to your preference. Give it a nice mix, and let's see the consistency. If you would like to add more water, you are welcome to do that. And I think I need more water to it because it doesn't look like a semi-liquid state. So I might add a little water, maybe a cup of water. So after adding a cup of water, this is how my consistency looks, and this is what I always prefer, to be in a semi liquid state. And finally, to garnish, we need to splatter the mustard seeds, red chilies, and curry leaves.